The Aquascape Aquatic Patio Pond Kit makes it simple and easy to add the sights and sounds of water to any setting. This container water garden provides beauty, interest, and elegance to any indoor or outdoor setting, including patios, offices, balconies, gardens, and more. The Aquatic Patio Pond Kit includes an elegant, square-shaped patio pond, a calming bamboo fountain, and an energy-efficient water pump. For a quick and trouble-free setup, simply place the patio pond in your ideal location. Fill with water and enjoy! If desired, a wide variety of plants can be added to the patio pond to create your very own one-of-a-kind aquatic paradise. The patio pond is lightweight and has a textured gray slate finish that ages like real stone and never fades or chips, ensuring years of enjoyment. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products and best value in the water feature industry.